to The Well-Educated Artist. We are going to be doing a bloom today that hopefully will look like stained glass. So check out these colors. These are some awesome colors that we have here today. Lots of really bright jewel tones. Starting here with fluorescent pink from Liquitex. So this is straight out paint. This is pigment. This is from Color Art's Primary Elements. We have cinnamon red. And then we have sunburst yellow, mix a little bit of primary yellow because I want it to be a little more yellow. Sometimes that kind of casts a little green. So I want it to be, make sure that it looks yellow. And then we have Modern Masters Venetian Blue. That's a paint, a metallic paint. And another metallic paint from Folk Art. This one is Purple Flash. And then we have Ginger Peach from Color Art. And we have Enchanted Forest from Color Art. Plumeria from Color Art. And Wine and Roses from Color Art. Love that purple. So deep. Okay, so really jewel toned colors. Mostly in pigments, but a few in paints. And I'm going to be using a black cell activator today. If you're interested in how to mix any of these paints or how to make a cell activator, and then check out my video on how to mix paints. These paints and pigments are all mixed with Behr 8300 and Jo Sonja varnish. And then this one is a pigment. Okay, so you can see the consistency there, and that's what we're going to be using. Now I do need a pillow paint, and this is just white house paint. Most white house paints will do, so let's go ahead and get our pillow on. A 10-inch round is what I'm using today. Okay, so the way I'm going to be applying my bloom paint today is sort of in blocks. So I'm going to do blocks as best I can in different places. So I'm going to get all of my paint down. Okay, I've decided to make one substitution here. I'm going to be adding Aqua Flash. I've just decided it needs one more color, and I love Aqua Flash, so I am going to sub just a little bit in a couple of places. Do it in quadrants. Okay, so I'm going to take my skewer and I'm going to do a little bit of a wreck here. Time to give this a spin.